What is going on, everybody? Today I thought I would just take a minute here, not going to take a whole lot of time, but just show you how to enable the little green eco light on your dash if you want to have the display for that. Now, some people think that disabling that setting disables the actual eco mode or 4-cylinder. It does not. For the first 1,500 miles, I did not have this feature enabled. And I could still hear my truck going into 4-cylinder mode. So, and I know there's been some confusion on the forums as to if you change it in here on the cluster or here in the center stack. So it is over here. You're gonna go to settings and then display and scroll down. Fuel saver display in cluster, and you'll want to check that box, and what that will do is just a little green eco light will come on there when the truck is in 4-cylinder mode. Some people think that it comes on when you're just driving economically, but as a lot of people on the forums and such would concur, it seems to be directly tied with the 4-cylinder mode, because it doesn't come on regardless of speed or throttle position until you hear the truck hit 4-cylinder. That's when that light comes on. So I'm going to do a short clip here and try to get the light to come on and show you how I'm doing it and how it works real quick, just to give you a general idea. All right, so here's my video evidence for why I think the eco light is directly tied to the 4-cylinder mode rather than actual driving efficiency or throttle position. So as you can see right now, see, the eco light was on, it went off. Now I'm just barely accelerating. Now if I let off and maintain a cruising speed or let off and coast, it'll take a second here, but there it is, eco. And now I can hear it's only firing on 4 cylinders. You can hear it change. And then as soon as I just give it a little gas, there it kicked out, light went out, and I'm slowly accelerating again. So I believe the light to be directly tied to 4-cylinder mode. So yeah, that pretty much sums it up. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. I know I had to do a little bit of digging to figure out how to do it myself, just because for some odd reason I didn't expect it to be under display. Maybe I thought that it would be off under the engine options or something, or in there. I was looking in there and I couldn't find it. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and make sure to check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. Thanks for watching.